What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be talking about what is printable vinyl, what are the different types, what's it used for, how is it different from sticker paper, and go a little bit more in depth on the use cases for each. So, first of all, what is printable vinyl? This is a material that is vinyl based, okay? It has a paper backing sheet, and you can print on this with an inkjet or laser printer. And there are two main types, okay? Printable vinyl sticker paper, which is what all this stuff is. And then there is printable vinyl heat transfer paper. So for making actual transfers that you print and then iron on to cotton t-shirts and other apparel, okay? So heat transfer vinyl is different from what we're going to be focusing on today, which is printable vinyl sticker paper, okay? So let's talk about the difference between printable sticker paper and printable vinyl. Is there a difference, okay? So on the left here is printable vinyl stickers, okay, sticker sheets. And on the right here, this is printable sticker paper. So the difference between printable vinyl and printable sticker paper is printable vinyl is a lot more durable. This is a glossy finish. This is just a matte finish. Printable vinyl tends to be more water resistant, more fade resistant, sometimes can even be dishwasher safe. For example, with our brand of printable vinyl, our matte printable vinyl is actually dishwasher safe. We've tested it for about 7 years. And so with printable sticker paper, you know, it's for indoor applications, not as durable, not waterproof. Printable vinyl stickers are more durable, okay? So if I were to try and tear this printable vinyl, it's a lot more difficult. It's stretching. And so I can peel it off and stick it onto whatever hard, smooth surface I want to use. A lot of small businesses use printable vinyl for labeling things. Maybe they have a small candle business or something similar. With sticker paper, you know, it's going to tear very easily. So I destroyed our beautiful logo, sadly. But it's for indoor applications, okay? And if I were to spray water on sticker paper, there's a good chance it could run. Now, in this case, it's doing pretty well. But it's going to be less durable. All right, so that's the difference between printable vinyl and sticker paper. Now let's get into some of the different types here. So there are eight types I have on display. No, I can't count, there are 6. And so going in order, no particular order, this is matte printable vinyl. Okay, it's non-reflective, it's pretty durable, can be waterproof, can be dishwasher safe. This is clear printable vinyl, all right? So if I pull up a corner, you can see, ta-da, it's clear or slightly opaque or cloudy, depending on the brand, depending on the thickness. And so there are applications when you want to use clear. For example, if you're putting a decal on a white background, you might want to use clear printable vinyl because the profile around the edges will be a lot lower. And it's just fun to work with. Okay, this is brushed gold printable vinyl. Not as popular, but it looks kind of cool. The ink tends to not pop as much, but it has that shiny metallic finish, all right? Right here, and I know these might look similar to you, but this is actually holographic printable vinyl. Very pretty. But this is silver printable vinyl. So it doesn't quite have a holographic look. You can just see it reflects the light. Depending on what you're going for, you can choose between the two of these. I personally like holographic. It looks a little nicer. And then this one, I believe, is just a glossy. Okay, so if I peel a corner up, it's just a glossy white background. But here we go. I'm peeling it up, and it's just sticky on the backside, adhesive, disposable paper backing, and the actual printed vinyl itself. And these are all compatible with sometimes inkjet printers, sometimes laser printers. Let's pick out another pack here. So for example, our glossy printable vinyl, available at royalelements.com or on Amazon, is specifically for inkjet printers. So you want to read the packaging. Sometimes it says both, sometimes it says laser, sometimes inkjet. And you want to make sure you match the type of vinyl you're printing on with the type of printer you're using. Okay, so one other thing to consider is if you're using, say, sticker paper or some of this vinyl that you notice tends to fade or bleed, you might want to pick up a pack of laminating sheets for stickers like we offer here. This can increase the lifespan of your stickers, can make them waterproof, dishwasher safe, and completely sealed to the elements. So those are the differences. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.